Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, whatever time it is where you're at. My name is Tanya or TitaniumBuilt. Welcome to my channel where we do talk all things true crime. If you are returning Titan, welcome on back. If you're a new user, I hope you'll appreciate today's case coverage and you'll consider subscribing to the channel. I do go live daily. Sometimes it's all day, sometimes it's a couple times a day. Sometimes it's just once a day. So if that's something that you're into, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment your thoughts below on this case that we're dealing with, and let me know what you guys think about the new body cam footage that has been released. So, of course, we are talking about the IdahoFour murders that happened on November 13th. We are talking about the murder suspect, Bryan Kohberger. He has been in custody since December the 30th. He went to court today. If you guys want to watch the court hearing, if you want to see any footage of him walking back and forth to court, things like that, make sure you go and check out my live that I just did. We went over all of that, and we also went over this police body cam footage as well. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm just doing a short video for you guys so you guys can see the police body cam footage also. Let me share my screen with you. Brian Eaton is the best. So if you don't know, he is with News Nation. And he is the one who found this information out. So I want to go ahead and show it to you guys and get your thoughts on it. So comment your thoughts below on what you guys think about this body cam footage. Why exactly do you guys think his dad went out? Why would Bryan Kohberger's dad fly out from Pennsylvania all the way to Washington State just to drive back with his son in the car? I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys think. So here we go with the video.
State police got your license and registration again. I stopped you, man, when you're driving by me there, you're a little too close to the back of that semi. You're about one car between you and the back of this trailer. We're about one car with 10 miles an hour, so if you're going 60 or 70 miles an hour, we're about 6 or 7 cars. So you know. Oh, you guys did?
Yeah, and you said that so
you guys stopped by a trooper? We don't have any SUVs. It was a county guy. Was it like a black SUV?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And you thought you guys were following too closely? Okay.
What happened to WSU when my son goes to school?
Today? Well, I'm not going to give you guys another ticket or warning if you just got stopped. Just make sure you give yourself plenty of room, okay? So like I said, it's all about how fast you're going, okay? So if you're going 10 miles an hour, you only need one car. Or if you're going, so speed limit here is 7. If you're going 70 miles an hour, you need 7 cars. Yeah, that's the easy way to explain it. Yeah. Okay. It's really in the B&B man, it says 2 to 3 seconds. All right, you guys have a safe trip. Where y'all heading?
Thank you so much.
Where y'all heading to? Huh? Oh, where at? Yeah, it's a long haul. You guys scared of airplanes? Did you? Okay. All right, well, hey, peace out, safe trip.
Thank you,
See
sir.
Okay, so that's the end of the video there. I just wanted to show you guys that. And I did write down a couple things that I did hear in the video. It looks like that this is going to be the ticket. So they did, in fact, it sounds like, receive 2 tickets on their way from Washington to Pennsylvania. They received a ticket for maybe speeding. The second ticket, the officer didn't end up writing them a ticket for this, but they did get pulled over and it was for clearance. You can hear the officer say, you know, for every 10 miles per hour, that's, you know, put that car in front of you. So if you're going 70 miles per hour, there should be 7 cars in front of you. That way you have plenty of time to stop, you know, the clearance of that anyway. So he also asked, why did they drive? Why didn't you guys fly from Washington State? He asked, are you guys scared of planes? Which I thought was kind of funny. So I wanted to just go ahead and give you guys that body cam footage for today. That's all I have for you. But if you guys appreciate today's case coverage, I really hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, comment your thoughts below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.